3. Can you state your name, please?
Anthony Matthew King.
Okay. What are you here to do?
I'm here to see my kids, Lance and Peyton. I'm here visiting from Afghanistan for a couple weeks, and this is my time to spend with my boys.
When's the last time you saw them?
With probably about 9-10 months ago, something like that.
Okay.
It's been quite a while. It's been longer than I would want to spend away from my kids.
Gotcha. Well, let's go.
All right, let's go. Right this way. I'm not on GPS or anything, so you have to tell me where I'm going. Okay, here we go. Hey. Looking for Lance and Peyton King. Hey, buddy. This is my biggest boy. This is Lance. Look at the camera, bud. Look at the camera. Say hi. Hi.